Three business personalities. Every business owner needs three types of personalities: the entrepreneur, the manager, and the technician. And for home inspectors, this is crucial. The technician, well, he or she does all of the great inspections, all the work of inspecting. The manager in you needs systems and processes in place. And the entrepreneur in you needs vision and goals and grows the business. Most home inspectors are 70% technician, 20% manager, and 10% entrepreneur. But a successful home inspection business needs a better balance, about 33% for each one. So do this right now. Track your next workday. Write down how many minutes you spend in each of these roles. This awareness is your first step to a better balance.